From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live at 3.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. We got Dr. Guge back in the studio to tell us about his other product. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you, David?
I'm doing excellent. Tell us about the AIO Breathe, the FDA-cleared oral appliance for treatment of snoring and obstruction of sleep apnea.
Well, the AIO Breathe is a beautiful device. You can see that. It just fits right there in my palm. And it's very light, about 5 grams. It's used to treat snoring and obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is a condition where your tongue falls back into your air passage, closes your air passage, and deprives you of oxygen while you sleep. This device is built in a way that will not allow you to close that air passage. And while asleep, if you open your mouth, the arc that is followed is a design critical element of this device. That arc that is created by these 2 flanges are going to make sure that your jaw moves on a trajectory that gets the airway to become larger as you open your mouth. So the theory is, if you need more oxygen, you're going to open your mouth to get more air. And as you need more air, this device is going to provide on demand more oxygen.
Yes, sir. So how many people or how many patients have this type of sleep apnea?
Well, unfortunately, David, 1.3 billion humans.
That's a lot.
90 million Americans, okay, and only 5% have been treated.
Man, that's a lot of people right there.
That is. I think there is an increasing prevalence and understanding about how dangerous snoring can be. Snoring is a sign that there is lack of oxygen. So when you stop breathing and don't get oxygen, you're going to pump a lot of adrenaline that makes you snore. All right, so it's very important to take heed,
yes,
pay attention, and do something about it.
Yes, sir. So what makes AIO Breathe, so great for people that snore and have sleep apnea?
Great question. Well, if you are used to wearing a PAP machine and love your device, you're going to be amongst the 41% that stick on and hold on to their devices. Almost 60% of Americans and people all over the world give up their CPAP machines because of discomfort, pain, and so many other things. And an oral appliance becomes an option. All previous appliances that are used for treating sleep apnea either restrain your jaw, or there are belts, pistons, screws that create traumatic experiences, and people don't use their devices. This is the first device on the market that increases the size of the airway as you open your mouth and is extremely comfortable and easy to use.
It looks so small too and compact, so it looks kind of like a sports mouthpiece. Is there any crossover with athletic?
Oh, absolutely, great question. So athletic devices, you may notice, are similar to the AIO Breathe. Now remember, the AIO Breathe is an FDA cleared device for sleep apnea. The athletic devices can be acquired directly from us for treating certain things in sports. Let's take an example. You are a speed athlete, a 100 meters dash athlete. This particular device that you would use for that would give you the maximum size of your airway that you need for those 100 meters, and you can shave milliseconds and seconds of your record. Now, there are more robust devices that contain the ability to absorb concussion forces. And for example, someone like Patrick Mahomes, if he were to wear this device and not his little thing that he puts on just one set of teeth, this will increase his performance, improve endurance. And if by chance he was to be hit and went down and lost muscle tone, this device will help keep that airway open and prevent any effects of concussions from becoming full-blown.
Yes, sir. So if somebody's at home looking at this, how can they get their hands on this product?
The sports and athletic product is available on the PAP store, or you can call our office at Sleep Medicine Institute of Texas. The prescription device can be looked into. Either you can get it from your dentist, or you can come and see us at Sleep Medicine Institute of Texas. You can look at it on the papstore.com if you want to. That gives you a lot of information. But with the FDA clearance, it's going to be available throughout the country and in other countries as well through dentists and physicians.
All right. Thank you so much for coming in. If you need more information, you can get to that website right here on your screen.